This newer, custom one-level home is located in a quiet Tigard neighborhood near Fred Meyer and tons of shopping and dining options. Tucked off the main road, this home has a private, retreat-like feel with an inviting front porch and outdoor entertaining spaces. Discover gorgeous hardwoods throughout, tons of natural light, and a cozy gas fireplace. The chef's kitchen is beautifully designed with fine finishes, stylish backsplash, a 5-burner gas range, double ovens, and a large island offering a great flow for entertaining. The spacious master suite with high ceilings has direct access to the patio, where you can listen to the sounds of the water feature. The well-appointed master bath includes a dual sink vanity, towel warmer, and shower with multiple heads. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms in this home of more than 1,800 square feet. Plus another full bath. Entertain year-round under the covered patio. Or relax by the fire pit in this low-maintenance, zero-escaped backyard. You'll also enjoy an oversized garage, solar power, and a high-efficiency furnace with a smart thermostat to minimize utility bills. A fantastic location and a gorgeous craftsman home. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.